I hope everyone's doing alright. Got a quick video for you. It's one of Mascalls' traps again, Leonard Mascalls, in his book of traps and engines, whatever. I think it's the Latch trap, or one of the Latch traps. There's a couple in there right now. I've got to say thank you to the traditional countryman, because he helped me figure this one out. Once he'd helped me figure it out, it was simple, but I couldn't understand it at first because the picture is slightly weird. Then he thought of a couple of things and he looked, and he showed me something, and I thought, definitely it. And he was dead right. He was 100% right. So the traditional countryman, cheers, mate. So I had to go up making it. I've had to do a couple of little things different because there was a couple of things I didn't have. And one of them, it has two forked sticks each side. I didn't have forked sticks, so what I did was I just put a stake in the ground and cut a V in it. But on the original it would have been two forked sticks. When we go outside I'll show you, then I'll put a picture up of the original, how it was, of his old black and white ones, and I'll show you the writing to it as well. I found I can understand the writing now, because I've looked at it quite a lot of times and you can figure it out. But it's just, they used to write things weird anyway, you know what I mean? So it's quite hard to understand what he meant in some things. But after the traditional countryman showed me a couple of things, I understood it fully. So we'll go outside and have a look. So you can see just there and there, that would have been forked sticks. Apart from that, everything else is pretty much the same. I assumed he would have used wire because he was at a time that you could get metal wire. And how it works obviously is the animal will stand on that and down will come the two top bits. So you see, actually it's a relatively simple design, and there's many other traps which are of the same design, more modern. So obviously it's probably based off of this one. You've got your slots in there. Some people do it with like a hook system. And I've cut that end bit to match his picture as best I could, and the rest is just, you know, wire and wood. Right, anyway, cheers for watching, and I'll see you later.